Bonjour, fellow travel and food enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to take you on an extraordinary journey into the realm of French food. We will talk about the 5 most unique dishes of French cuisine that you must try if you visit France. Are you ready? Then let's start. France is renowned for its rich culinary heritage and is considered a gastronomic paradise. From delicate pastries to exquisite cheeses and fine wines, French cuisine offers a delightful array of flavors and textures. And in 5th place is coq au vin. Coq au vin is a classic French dish that translates to rooster in wine. This hearty dish is traditionally prepared by braising a rooster in red wine along with bacon, mushrooms, onions, and aromatic herbs. The slow cooking process tenderizes the meat and allows the flavors to meld together, resulting in a savory and comforting stew. While rooster is the traditional choice, chicken is commonly used as a substitute in modern recipes. Coq au vin has gained international recognition and has been adapted and modified in various cuisines around the world, each with its own unique twist. Whether enjoyed at a family gathering or served in a Michelin-starred restaurant, coq au vin remains a timeless classic that epitomizes the rich culinary heritage of France. 4th place was taken by Bouillabaisse. Bouillabaisse is a traditional Provençal fish stew originating from the port city of Marseille. This iconic dish features a variety of fish and seafood, such as red mullet, sea bass, mussels, and langoustines, simmered in a flavorful broth of tomatoes, onions, garlic, saffron, and a bouquet garni. It is traditionally served with a side of toasted baguette, slathered with rouille, a spicy garlic and saffron-infused mayonnaise. The cooking process of bouillabaisse involves layering the fish and seafood in the pot based on their cooking times, ensuring that each ingredient is perfectly cooked. The rouille is spread on the bread and then dunked into the flavorful broth, adding a creamy and spicy element to the dish. Escargots de Bourguignonne is in 3rd place. Escargots de Bourguignonne, or Burgundy snails, are a delicacy in French cuisine. The snails are removed from their shells, cleaned, and then cooked in a fragrant mixture of butter, garlic, parsley, and sometimes white wine. They are typically served in their shells, accompanied by crusty bread to soak up the flavorful buttery sauce. Escargots are enjoyed as an appetizer or as part of a larger meal. Escargots de Bourgogne exemplify the adventurous spirit and refined palates of French cuisine, and they continue to be cherished as a treasured specialty in fine dining establishments and traditional French restaurants around the world. 2nd place belongs to Quiche Lorraine. Quiche Lorraine is a classic French tart that originated in the Lorraine region. This savory dish consists of a buttery pastry crust filled with a rich custard mixture of eggs, cream, bacon, and Gruyere cheese. The quiche is baked until golden and set, resulting in a velvety texture and a harmonious combination of flavors. Quiche Lorraine can be enjoyed warm or at room temperature, making it a versatile dish for any occasion. Quiche Lorraine is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed as a main course, served with a side salad, or as part of a brunch spread or picnic. While variations of Quiche Lorraine exist, the traditional version remains a beloved classic. The 1st place was taken by the most outstanding French dessert. Creme Brulee. Creme Brulee is a beloved French dessert known for its luscious, creamy custard base and a caramelized sugar crust. The dessert is made by infusing vanilla beans into a mixture of egg yolks, cream, and sugar, which is then baked in a water bath until set. Prior to serving, a thin layer of sugar is sprinkled on top and caramelized with a culinary torch or under a broiler to create the signature crunchy, caramelized crust. Creme brulee's creamy texture, delicate vanilla flavor, and the satisfying crack of the caramelized sugar make it a decadent and indulgent treat. It has become a staple in French cuisine and is beloved worldwide for its simplicity and elegance. Whether enjoyed in a fine dining restaurant or prepared at home, creme brulee is a dessert that never fails to impress and satisfy. As our culinary journey through France comes to an end, we reflect on the incredible flavors, artistry, and cultural significance of these 5 iconic French dishes. So join us on this captivating YouTube video as we celebrate the culinary delights of all country cuisines and invite you to embark on your Epicurean adventures in these extraordinary countries. Bon appétit and happy eating!